Ball fade comb over. Let's go. Take your trimmers, make your first guideline. Number 2, all the way open. Clip over comb, the hair sticking out. No guard open, first guideline. Blend it out with the clipper closed. Number 1 guard, all the way open. Half guard, all the way open, then close to blend that line out. Number 1.5, all the way open. Next, number 1, all the way open, then close, blend that line out. To finish it off, take your boulder and connect the 2 lines. Next, we're gonna line it up. Next, create your part. Next, razor your part and razor the line up. Next, apply your product, get it all in there, and boom. Follow for more.